Well, still as slow as ever picking up your stuff, huh? You do know the bell rang a while ago, right? Honestly, I don't understand how you do it. Always last in class, and now last out. It's like you have a talent for that. I swear, one day I'll time you. Need a hand putting away those books and papers? Because if you keep this up, we'll be here all night. Here, let me help you. There you go. Lucky I'm around, huh? Come on, we better get out of here before the janitor shows up and locks us in. So, what was your last class? Biology, right? How did it go? Not too boring, I hope. Oh, I had English, but I almost fell asleep. I swear, the teacher's voice is super monotone. His classes are so perfect. I can't wait to get home and take the best nap. Oh no, it's purring. This is bad. Wait. Do you have an umbrella? I seem to have forgotten mine. Oh, you got yours? I hope you don't mind sharing it with me. Oh, come on, be nice. Please. Thanks, you're the best. I thought I would sleep when I got home, but with all these exams coming up, I better study. There's too much to learn. I'm struggling, especially in history. I can't remember everything. You know, that's actually not a bad idea. Maybe we should organize a study session. We could even invite the others. The more the merrier, right? I really need to improve my grades, otherwise I'll be in trouble. I can't wait for vacation. I'll be able to sleep and play video games all day. Oh, and there's the winter festival coming up. Are you planning to go? I thought we'd go as a group last year, but June and Sam said they wanted to go, just the two of them. Doesn't that sound a bit suspicious? You noticed too? They've been hanging out a lot more than... Do you think they are a couple? Hey, if they're keeping it from us, that's just not cool. We're their friends. Anyway, I think we can forget about them for the festival. But wait, Alden's going with his girlfriend, and Mina with her boyfriend. That means we're the only one singles in the friend group. Well, it's true we don't know the full story about Sam and June yet. Still, I wouldn't have thought I'd be one of the last singles. You, sure, but me? I'm just kidding. Anyway, it looks like we're going to have to go to the dance, just the two of us. I thought we'd go as a group. Well, hide your excitement. Aren't you thrilled to go with me? It must be nice to have a partner. Someone to share everything with. Hey, I'd be a great boyfriend. I'm super thoughtful, you know. What? I can't be romantic, I swear. Odd. They want me to prove it to you? Want to see how passionate I can be? You might be surprised. Sorry, I didn't mean to get too close. Come on, let's keep walking. Hmm. I was wondering, do you have someone in mind? You know, like a crush maybe. What? Just curious? That's all. You don't? Okay, I see. Me? Oh, no, there's no one. Not a soul. Hey, if you don't have a crush on anyone at the moment, how about going out with me? Yes, you heard me right. Go out with me. Hey, don't look so shocked. I'm not that ugly, am I? Say something, please. Hey, why are you pulling away? Wait, listen to me. Yes, maybe the fact that all our friends are paying off has thrown me off, but that's not the only reason I'm saying this. I'm really interested in you. I'm not asking you this just because we are the only two singles in our friend group. I liked you for a long time. I love your smile and your eyes. I find you really beautiful. And that's not all. I love laughing with you, doing things together, even when the others aren't around. I enjoy going to class with you every morning, even if I complain when you're late. I don't mind waiting for you at all. Seeing you is the best part of my day. I'm saying this now because I realize at any moment you could end up with someone else, and I really don't want that to happen before I get to tell you how I feel. I know it might seem sudden, but I needed you to know. Listen, I'm not asking you for an answer right now. I know it's a lot to take in, but could you please think about it? No matter what you have to say, I'll be ready to hear it. Thanks for hearing me out. It means a lot, honestly. Hey, you should really get back under the umbrella. You're going to catch a cold. Come on, get closer to me. Like this. Oh, you look freezing. Are you sure you're okay? Here, take this. It will keep you a bit warmer. I insist. You need it more than I do. Hey, it's just a scarf. I can manage without it, and you can give it back to me tomorrow. Here, let me put it on you. There, like that. Hey, it actually looks cute on you. Are you okay? You seem embarrassed. What? You didn't think I could be this thoughtful? Are you surprised? I'm just teasing you. But maybe I should do it more often if it means seeing you flustered like this. You know, sometimes I wish we could just hang out like this more often. Just the two of us. And I want you to know that even if you want to stay friends, that's totally fine with me. I don't want to mess up what we have. Ah, you're right. We better walk faster if you don't want to end up so critical. Come on, I'll walk you home.